Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade to a ChatGPT plan on desktop. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Make sure you're logged into your ChatGPT account. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, select Settings, then click on Upgrade Plan. Now you'll see two tabs, Personal ChatGPT Plus, great for regular users. It gives you access to GPT-4, faster responses, and priority access during peak times. ChatGPT Pro, ideal for advanced users. It offers even higher usage limits, access to GPT-4 Turbo, and early access to new tools and features. Business ChatGPT Team, designed for small teams or companies. It includes a shared access, team admin tools, billing management, and access to GPT-4 Turbo. Choose the plan that suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.